The sun is rising, feeling bright. Got a fresh new start, everything's alright. A cup of coffee and a smile to wear. Good vibrations floating through the air. Got my goals lined up today, but I'm taking them the easy way. Step by step, no need to race. Moving forward at my own pace. When the pressure starts to grow, I just let the good vibes flow. A little rhythm, a little sway makes everything okay. It's an easy breezy work day. Come along and ride. Got a positive feeling and a peaceful mind. Working with the sunshine, leaving stress behind. Easy breezy work day, everything's aligned. Easy breezy work day, let the music play. Turning little moments into a better day. One small win at a time, that's how I climb. Easy breezy work day, feeling so alive. Clock keeps ticking, but I don't mind. I've got a calm heart and a focused mind. Every task is just another chance to move ahead and do my dance. The reggae rhythm keeps me strong, helping me roll the whole day long. No heavy worries weighing me down, just good energy all around. Every challenge that I see becomes an opportunity. With a smile and a simple song, I keep moving along. It's an easy breezy work day. Come along and ride. Got a positive feeling and a peaceful mind. Working with the sunshine, leaving stress behind. Easy breezy work day, everything's aligned. Easy breezy work day, let the music play. Turning little moments into a better day. One small win at a time, that's how I climb. Easy breezy work day, feeling so alive. Easy breezy work day, sunshine in my soul. Every little effort brings me closer to my goal. With gratitude and good vibes lighting up the way. Easy breezy work day, brighter every day. Easy breezy work day, singing as I go. Planting seeds of progress and watching them grow. With a happy heart and a rhythm so fine. Easy breezy work day, everything's aligned. Easy breezy work day, feel the sunshine, feel the flow. Easy breezy work day, keep on growing nice and slow. Easy breezy work day, good vibes every